How's it going, guys? Matthew Messel with the Daily Hook out here gar fishing at the Honey Hole at nighttime. A little bit of a different style of fishing. These fish are like super, wow, no way, I'm on. All right, wow, these things, there's like 50 gars in front of me. So I throw a shiner and it just gets eaten in like a second. Now the thing is, I gotta let this guy eat. I'll take a couple little tiny like taps with the top of the rod just to get him to start eating. But remember, my bail's open right now, so he's swimming away. He thinks he's fine. I'll do a little tug, and he'll swim even more. When he stops, stopped, keep going. Finish it off, finish it off, finish it off. And there he goes, finishing it off. Almost. Ready? There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. Should I set the hook, guys? I don't know. I'm at 1 minute and 2 seconds. Oh, he's swimming far now. Nope, not yet. Can't set the hook yet. Too big of a fish. Too big of a fish. Is he even on anymore? That's so crazy. He's such a big shiner, guys. There's gars all in front of me, guys. Oh my God. And he is on still. All right, guys. Nope. Came off. Wow, he was all the way over there? You gotta be kidding me. I'll cast again right there. As you see, I just casted. Let's see how long it takes before he's on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and there he goes. Wow, 10 seconds. It was more like maybe 14, just because I started counting like 4 seconds late, but now he's just running with it. Man, it's such a big shiner. Now, I don't know how big this fish is, guys, so I have to be very, very careful. Give him a couple tugs. He needs to eat this whole entire bait. This shiner is like the size of my hand. Oh my God. I want you so bad, like over here in my life. Man, that's crazy. Oh my God, guys, he's coming. He's coming. He needs to hurry up and eat that shiner. That is a fat shiner. I think this is a little bit of a smaller gar, just because the way he's eating it. But I really want to make sure that that circle hook is in there. So, man, he is far from me. He is far. All right, well, I'm reeling with not a lot of drag. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and start slowly bringing them in. Yep, there he is, guys. There he is. Now open the bail, because these will fight. These will fight. See, like right there, he would have broke off. Right there, he would have broke off. See what we got here now. Nice gar. Nice gar, guys. Check that out. Check that out. That's fishing. he is all over the place. So let me get him away from my shit. Wow, he is fucking crazy. Got a laptop, everything out here. Look at how big he is. It's a nice gar.